Hello YouTube and friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Cool Ideas. Make sure you hit the subscribe button before watching this video. In this video I am going to unboxing 2-in-1 Type-C adapter. As you can see, this is a Type-C audio plus charge adapter, and if I flip, it says notice 3.5mm audio supports phone calls, listening to music and wire control, and Type-C jack only supports charging. So this is how you can use this adapter. So from phone to the adapter, and adapter has two input, one is for charging and one is for your headphone. So that's how you can use 3.5mm headphone jack while charging the phone, because nowadays the Samsung or any kind of phone has only C type input. So that's why I ordered this one. So let me open this one. So this is how it looks like. And with this I have received congrats, you won the prize, some kind of card, and it says gift card $20. So thank you very much for the gift, and let me open this adapter. So as you can see, this is very cool and little bit heavier, but yeah, you can use it. So it contains one device and one gift card, and after that, if I open the device, you will see it has one input. You can connect to your phone, and we have one charging input. So you can connect your charging cable to this input, and here is your input for the headphone. So you can use 3.5mm headphone here. So it's very straightforward, and if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.